y'all, what's up? Long time no see. What's going on with y'all? I feel like I look weird. Maybe it's my blue light glasses, but hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Happy Thursday. Why should I want to focus? Hold on, y'all. Okay, here we go. So what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Happy Thursday. I am currently doing my classwork for the semester. I have a discussion question and a quiz, so I need to do a little bit of reading before I do my quiz. I got some blue light glasses because I'm in that mode. I'm in that zone. You know, I'm just trying to do that. So I did my discussion. I'm gonna show y'all. So I did my discussion question, and you know, like the first discussion question that you usually do at the semester is like an icebreaker. Let's get to know you, whatever. She asked for us to attach our favorite meme. I'm gonna show y'all. Okay, she asked us to attach our favorite meme, and OMG, like I literally fucking cracked up at this meme. I found this meme on TikTok and I was scrolling. I literally think it was last night. I was scrolling and I see that meme and I literally cracked up. I had to save it, and it's just, what a coincidence that your teacher asked, what's your favorite meme? So that's my favorite meme. It was literally in between this one. Dang, can the camera focus today? It's literally in between this meme or this meme. What the heck? I thought the Bart Simpson one was a little bit more funnier because of course he's at school trying to get his work done, but he like pissed off, and I feel like that's how I'm gonna feel this semester. So, but still pushing positive vibes, positive vibrations, and God on our semester. But currently, yeah, just doing schoolwork. I have a workout class scheduled, but I don't think I'm going to make that workout class. I'm probably just gonna take today as a rest day. And yeah, okay, I'm back. What I was saying, yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and submit my discussion question and start on my quiz. That's all I have. Hey y'all, what is up? Okay, I'm back. When's the last time I talked to y'all? It's been like an hour or two past, but I finished my homework, my discussion question, and my quiz. I made a 95 on my quiz. It was open book, so some of the questions I don't know, but I made a 95 on my quiz, and hopefully I made a 100 on my discussion question. And I have literally every week this semester I have something to do, I think, other than spring break. Excuse me. So I need to make sure I stay on top of my classwork. Right now I am currently, I edit my vlog, I uploaded it. I uploaded it, and now I'm currently waiting for that to process. And now I am doing my thumbnail. So I'm doing that. And yeah, that's it. I just wanted to update you guys on my grades and stuff like that. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Welcome back to the channel. Anyway, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Happy Friday. Yeah, happy Friday. Slow start to the morning. I made me some tea in my mug. This is ginger tea. This mug is freaking huge. But I made me some tea. I'm gonna drink some tea. We don't have any breakfast items really, so I made some torquitos. I know. Tea and torquitos don't really go together, but that's what I had. So I might honestly do a order or go to the grocery store a little bit later on to pick up items for breakfast. The snowstorm is supposed to be coming through on what, Saturday or Sunday? No, tomorrow at like 1. So we'll see how that goes. Yeah, I just wanted to check in with you guys, get this day started. I need to put on my Apple Watch because, yeah, that's all I have. I just wanted to check in with you guys. I put my puzzle up. She's hung. So, that's it. You know, some slight. Oxtail, rice, potatoes. First meal of the day. Hearty. Period. Y'all are in a weird angle. But I'm filling up my candy jar. My Valentine's Day candy jar. I almost have a... No. It broke off. Might have to get some super glue. Okay. But I have a candy jar for almost every season. So I'm gonna fill it with candies. These are my favorite chocolate. And I'll just put them in. I think I get these about every season. Every once in a while I crave chocolate. So these are actually, let me mix them up. Oh, I'm making sure they can't see. Let me mix them up because it was this candy in here. Like I had lollipops, banana Laffy Taffies, push pops, and this. I haven't seen these in so long. But I'm just gonna put that to the side and then bring out my Linden chocolate. I think I'm gonna make a Valentine's Day candy salad. And I think I'm gonna make a big batch and then I'm gonna give it out to friends and family for Valentine's Day. So I think I might do that. But I'm gonna put these in here. And I got some bananas that, do these fit? Okay, yeah. They all fit. I have some bananas that I need to literally get rid of. I put them in the freezer, so I'm going to make banana bread. And I think I'm going to use these, what are these, 50%, 70% cocoa? Yeah, I'm going to use these to put in banana bread. See how those go, just so I could get rid of them, because usually those are like the last to go in the batch. And now I need to get some super glue to fix this. I might go look for another Valentine's Day jar. Where I decided to put the jar. I'm gonna get some super glue to fix the heart, but you know, something cute because this is the current shelf. So yeah. Did I show you guys my Valentine's Day decor? I only have a couple pieces. So these are the gnomes. I got those from Target like, I would say 5 years ago. So I have those. I have these, what you call these? I can't even think what they are. Coasters? Yeah, coasters. These are from the Snoopy collection. I have 2 others and they have actual Snoopy on them. I'll show you guys those, but I keep those in my room. I love a coaster. This is my plant. Okay, so question. So this is my pothos plant. She is good and long, like literally so long. Can you see her down there? You probably can't, but she's literally all the way down to the ground. But she has leaves that are dying, like this vine, like the leaves are dying, like that one up there, if y'all could see it, died. Now it's this one, and then this one is slowly going. So I looked up and it said that the pothos needs like more sunlight up at the top. So I'm currently trying this like little desk lamp that I have to give her some light up top. So I'm gonna see how that works. The only thing with this is not battery operated. It's like USB, so every once in a while I do have to charge it. So I'm gonna give her some sunlight tonight, water her in the morning, and then I keep the windows open, like the blinds open throughout the day, so she could get some sunlight. So I think that's all I have for tonight. I'm about to wind down, get some rest, and I'll talk to y'all in the morning. Happy night.